Hey guys, it is Squish Life here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have my Christmas squishy haul. So I didn't ask for that many squishies for Christmas, but I did ask for a few. In no shape or form am I bragging in any way. I'm just gonna show you guys what squishies I got. And yeah, let's get on with the video. I did get all the squishies that I did ask for, except for one that is actually in the mail coming. It's the Luna Tabby cotton candy head. If I get a picture, I'll probably put it here, but I did ask for that one. But we ordered it from another country, so it took a long time to come, and it still didn't arrive in time for Christmas. That's totally okay, because I still have 3 other squishies to show you guys. So the first 2 are from Silly Squishies. I actually asked for this Ladybug over Black Friday, because there was like a sale or something. But then we also, or my parents also got me this blueberry muffin. I'm so thankful. These are such amazing squishies. So this squishy is part of the Sugar Shop collection, and it's the blueberry muffin. It smells just like blueberry muffins. I also got the Ladybug, and this is part of the premium series, and it's called it's like called Lovebugs or something. There is the little bottom packaging. Lovebugs. This one kind of smells like baby powder. And here is the Ladybug. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. And the squish is amazing. And of course, it is so squishy. There's the licensing right there. So those 2 squishies were from sillysquishies.com, and I got one other squishy. It was from Luna Tabby on Instagram, and it's this eye bloom shortcake. There's also a pink version. I kind of want that one, but I wanted the rainbow one so much more, and thankfully I got the rainbow one. It is so beautiful. Like, the colors are so pretty. And the packaging is very large. Oh my goodness, this thing is literally so pretty. The colors are so adorable. And of course, it is super squishy, just like all Eye Bloom squishies are. So of course I did get some clothes and shoes. I'll probably do another Christmas haul on my other channel of like the non-squishy items. So if you guys want to watch that, it'll be down in the description, and I'll probably post it in about a few days, because there is a few clothing items that I did buy with Christmas money that will hopefully come soon. So I'll put those in the video. So the video might be a little bit late, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and bye!